Welcome to Let's Export Africa. Have you ever sat down and wondered, how do people even start exporting from Nigeria? Maybe you've seen someone post on WhatsApp, I just shipped my first 1 ton of ginger to the UK, and you're like, how did they do it? Well, let me tell you this, you don't need to be rich, or know someone in government, or even have a company yet. You can start small, mini export style. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how to start mini export from Nigeria step by step, even if you're just a student, a youth, or a farmer. Stay till the end, because I'll also give you access to my free export guide and course that will help you start immediately. So first, let's talk about what mini export really means. When you hear export, most people think it means containers, millions of naira, or huge warehouses. But mini export simply means starting small, shipping products in small quantities to test the market. For example, instead of sending 10 tons of dried hibiscus flowers, you can start with 20 kilograms or 50 kilograms. You can even use courier services like DHL, FedEx, or cargo agents at the airport. Mini export is for beginners who want to learn the process, make small profits, and grow gradually. Think of it as a side hustle that can grow into a full business. And here's the good news, many people abroad are buying these products every single day. Africans in the diaspora want Nigerian foodstuffs. Foreign companies want organic products. And some just want raw materials. So you already have a huge market waiting, you just need to learn how to tap into it. Now, let's talk about what you can export. You don't need to farm everything yourself. You can buy locally, package properly, and export. Here are some mini export products you can start with. Dried hibiscus flowers, very popular in Germany, Mexico, and the US for making tea. Ginger, Nigerian ginger is one of the hottest in the world. Dried and powdered forms are in high demand. Egusi and crayfish, these are gold in African stores overseas. Garlic, turmeric, and bitter kola, many Abo companies buy them in small quantities. Palm kernel shell, charcoal, and shea butter, good for small-scale export too. You can even export food items like yam flour, plantain flour, or gari, but make sure they're properly dried, packaged, and labeled. So, before you think of farming large-scale, start with what's around you. Alright, let's go step by step on how to start mini export from Nigeria. Step 1, do your market research. Before anything, you must know what people want abroad. Go on Alibaba, eBay, or Etsy. Join Facebook export groups or check WhatsApp communities. Search by Nigerian hibiscus flower or African foodstuff UK. You see real buyers and the prices they pay. That's your first step, know what to sell. Step 2, source your products. Once you know what to sell, the next thing is sourcing. Visit your local markets, Kano for ginger, Bauchi for hibiscus, ABA for packaging materials. If you're a farmer, you already have an advantage, you can process and sell directly. If you're not a farmer, partner with one. Farmers are always looking for serious buyers. Step 3, process and package properly. This is where many new exporters make mistakes. You can't just buy ginger, throw it in a nylon, and send it abroad. You need to package it cleanly, label it, and seal it properly. You have to buy a sealing machine, then print a simple label with your business name and contact. Make sure your product looks neat and export-worthy. Remember, presentation sells, especially when you're dealing with people outside Nigeria. Step 4, register your business. Now, for mini export, you can start without registering a company immediately. But once you're serious, you need to register with CAC and get a TIN, tax identification number. It builds trust with foreign buyers. If you plan to scale up, also register with the Nigerian Export Promotion Council (NEPC), it makes you an official exporter. Step 5, find buyers. This is where most people stop, they say, I don't have buyers. But truth is, buyers are everywhere. Here's where to look. Facebook export groups. LinkedIn. Export marketplaces like TradeKey, Alibaba, Global Sources. Even WhatsApp groups and diaspora communities. Reach out politely. Introduce yourself. Say something like, Hello, my name is Dash from Nigeria. I supply dried hibiscus flower and ginger. Would you be interested in a small trial shipment? Keep it short, simple, and professional. You can also create a one-page product catalog using Canva, include pictures, prices, and your contact. Step 6. Ship through courier or air cargo. When your buyer is ready, start small. For 10 to 50 kilograms, use DHL, FedEx, or Nigerian air cargo agents. They handle small exports without too much paperwork. You just need a commercial invoice, a list of goods and price, your ID card, the receiver's address abroad. Pay for shipment, drop off the goods, and send the tracking number to your buyer. Once they receive it and are happy, congratulations. You've just done your first mini export. Now, let's quickly talk about the common mistakes new exporters make. No product knowledge, they don't even know what they are selling. Study your product. No proper packaging, poor packaging kills deals fast. Overpricing, don't try to make all the profit at once. Start small and build relationships. Ignoring regulations, don't ship restricted items without checking. No follow-up, communicate with your buyer till the goods arrive. Avoid these, and you'll grow faster. Now, listen carefully, starting mini export from Nigeria isn't just for big people. It's for you, the youth, the student, the farmer, the hustler. You can start small. You can learn as you go. And most importantly, you can earn in dollars right from your home. So stop doubting yourself. The market is ready. The buyers are waiting. All you need is the right knowledge and small action every day. And to make it easier for you, I've prepared a free export guide and mini export course. It explains everything you need step by step. Click the link below to download it now and start your export journey today. Because this is your time, and Africa is ready to trade with the world.